Hello students, good morning everyone. Can you all see this image? Yes, this is the images of many trees. Did you like trees? What are the uses of trees? Can you say? Yes, very good children. There are so many uses of trees. The importance of trees are it removes carbon dioxide, reduces soil erosion, provides us fruit, provides medicine, cools our houses, and so on. So, let's we save trees and do not cut down a life. Is it clear to you? Today, we are going to see about trees by Sarah Coleridge. Did you got your books? Okay, those who got your books, kindly turn to page number 125. Okay, children, in last class, we learned first 4 lines. Is it? Now, I am going to teach you next 4 lines, that is last 4 lines of this memory poem. But before going into today's lesson, I just want you to recall last class poem. Okay, children? Come, let's we recall first 4 lines. The banyan is the largest of trees. The pupil quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. And now, can you see this image? Anyone can name the tree? Yes, this is a tamarind tree. It is very big in size, right? The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. It gives us shade. Shade means darkness. It gives us a shade, right? The tamarind tree. Did you like to eat the raw tamarind? Mostly we can see this tree in village side. See in third image, in third picture, many of them are playing under the shade of tamarind tree. And some of the animals also taking rest. These are some of the uses of trees in common. But in tamarind tree, it gives us a very nice shade. Very nice. Pleasant means very nice. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. And now we move on to next line. Can you see these images? Yes. In this image, poet describes about the date's leaf. How does the date's leaf look like? The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. How she is comparing? Listen. She is comparing the date's leaf with the sharpness of the blade. So, this date's leaf is very sharp as a blade. Is it clear to you? This is your 6th line from your poem, children. Please listen carefully and do response for your homework. Your 6th line from your memory poem is the date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. Here poet is comparing date's leaf with the blade. Okay, children? So, where does the date's tree grow usually? Yes, very good. It can grow only in desert places. Okay, children? Now we move on to next line. This is your 7th line. Okay, children, listen. What is this tree? This is a teak wood tree. Teak wood. Most of the furnitures are made use of teak tree. Okay, children. So that 7th line is teak tree gives us useful wood. By using wood, wood means timber. By using wood, we can make furnitures like your school benches and chairs and also doors. These are made up of wood. So that teak tree gives us useful wood. And this is your last but not the least line. The mango gives us food that is good. How does the mango taste? Yes, mango is very sweet in taste, is it? So, mango gives us a very healthy food because fruit is one of the healthy food. So, mango gives us food that is very good. Did you all like to eat mango during mango seasons? Okay, fine kids. This is your last line. So I covered all the 8 lines and now we move on to mind map. First trees, and then what are the trees mentioned in this poem? Banyan, pupil, coconut, neem, tamarind, dates, teak and mango. First one is banyan. It is a very largest tree. And second one is pupil. Pupil quivers in the breeze. And third tree mentioned in this poem is coconut tree, grows up very straight. And neem tree's fruits are very small. So next one, tamarind gives us pleasant shade. And date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. Next one is teak. Teak is a very useful wood. Teak tree gives us useful wood. And mango is a very good food. So that's it. See, these are the answers for your mind map. The pupil quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. And third one is the tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. And then fifth one is the teak tree gives us useful wood. These are some of the most important points from your mind map. Children, is it clear to you? Please remember all the 5 lines. It is very important to remember your memory poem. Okay, now it's time for your assignments. Already you learned first 4 lines of this poem and you also done a very good job upon your assignment. And today your assignment is you are going to write last 4 lines. Now I read it out. Listen carefully, children. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. This is your assignment. Write it 2 times. Okay, children? Kindly please write your assignment and post it within today evening itself. I gave you just 4 lines. You are going to write last 4 lines of this memory poem. Your assignment is you are going to write last 4 lines of this memory poem. Trees poem written by Sarah Coleridge. Is it very clear to you, children? Just write 2 times and post it in Google Classroom as soon as possible. Thank you so much, children.